Hello everyone, this is Navneeta. Now we are going to study the topic from refraction of light at plane surfaces, that is coin magic. For this we need to take one coin. Place one transparent glass on the coin. So when we place transparent glass on coin, the coin is visible to us. We can see the coin. Yes. Now pour some water inside of the glass. So what will happen? So there the coin disappears. Yes, the coin vanished. We can't see the coin. Why it happens here? See. Now this time pour some water on the coin. Now we have to place the filled glass on the coin. This time the coin appeared again. So what was the magic here? Is this magic or science? Let's see. First of all, we are taken one coin. On the coin we are keeping the empty glass. So at this time, you can see in this picture, this is a coin. So here we are observing the coin. The position of the observer is here. The distance between the coin to observer is this. Yes. So this orange color or red color line indicates the distance of the coin to the observer. So here, why we are able to see the coin when the glass is empty? Here the light is travel from different mediums. What are those? Here, first of all, the light travels from air medium to glass. You can see here, from air medium to glass it is changed. So here somewhat the light ray bends. Yes. So again it is travels in a straight line. And again when it is reaches to glass medium, again the light ray bends somewhat. Again it is travel in air medium. So here the light ray travels in two different mediums, air and glass. So the coin is visible to us. Yes. So you can see here, this is a line indicates that the coin is visible to us when the glass is empty. Yes. Now when we pour some water inside of the glass, on the dry coin we kept the glass tumbler and we pour the water inside of the glass. This time the coin disappeared. So what was the reason here? We are observing the coin from the same position. And here when we fill the glass with water, this time the medium is changed. Before we observed glass medium and air medium. This time we observe three different mediums: glass medium, air medium and water medium. Yes. So first of all, the light travels in air medium. To the air medium it enters into glass medium. So when the medium is changed, the light ray bends somewhat here. Yes. So here the light ray bending takes place in the glass medium. So here this is a total water medium. So it is traveling in a straight line. It is traveling in straight line in water medium. So again here in the glass medium, again here the medium is changed. So here you can observe the light ray bending takes place here. Again it is travel in air medium in a straight line. Even though we are not seeing the coin is not visible to us. We are observing the coin from the before position only. here one doubt arises to you. So when we are changing the position, can we see the coin? Yes. So when the position of the observer is changed from this point to this point, we can observe the coin. You can see here. So here, this is the medium. You can see the clear medium here. How the light travels from air to glass and air to glass and glass to water and again water to glass and again from water to air. Here repeatedly the medium is changed continuously. The light traveling from one medium to another medium continuously. Yes. So here the refractive index of glass is 1.4 and the refractive index of water is 1.33. So here you can see yes, when we change the position from here to here, the coin is visible to us. When the position of the observer is changed, then we can see the coin. And now, third case. Now we have to take the wet coin. That means we have to pour some water on the coin like this. Now we have to place a glass on the coin, filled glass. You can see here. The water filled glass is kept on the wet coin. This time the coin is visible to us. So here you can see the light ray. Again the light ray is travel in three mediums. This green line indicates that light traveling in a three medium. How the light ray is traveling in these three mediums. You can see in this picture clearly. So we know the refractive index of the glass is 1.4 and the refractive index of the water is 1.33. So here from this line, this green line. So here it is traveling from water. Here we pour some water on the coin. Now we are taken wet coin. So here the light ray travels from water to the glass. So here the medium is changed. At this moment the light ray bending takes place. Yes. So here again it is travel from glass medium to water medium. Now in water medium the light travels in a straight line. Yes. Again from water to glass medium the light ray is changed. Here you can observe somewhat the light ray bending. Yes. So again from glass medium to water medium it is travel and in this position we are observing the coin. This time the coin is visible to us.